Hey there, today I'll be showing you on how to unsubscribe from all emails at once in Gmail. So here is how. First thing that you have to do is come to this portion and write the word unsubscribe, and then search for it. You will find that you receive a lot of emails asking you to unsubscribe. Thus, what you are going to do is navigate to the filter over here. The steps are as follows. Click on Create Filter. Click on Apply the label, and then add a new label. You will label this as Unwanted. And once you click on Unwanted, you will click on Create. Just follow those steps. And now, you can discover all the unsolicited and unsubscribed emails under Unwanted. Other than that, you can find in your inbox your other important emails. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.